All right, so if you think making Instagram Reels is complicated, not anymore. In 2026, you can create clean, engaging Reels inside Canva without needing advanced editing skills. So let's go step by step and build a Reel from scratch. First, open Canva and search for mobile video or Instagram Reel. This sets your canvas to the correct vertical format. You can either start from a template or go blank. Templates are faster, but blank gives you full control. Now, upload your video clips, images, or stock footage. Just drag and drop them into Canva. Next, organize your clips in order. Reels are short, so every second matters. Keep it tight and engaging. Trim unnecessary parts. Cut out pauses, mistakes, or anything boring. Fast pacing keeps viewers watching. Now, add text overlays or captions. Short, bold phrases work best, especially since most people watch without sound. Next, add music. Canva has a built-in audio library, or you can upload your own track. To make your reel smooth, add transitions between clips, but keep it simple. Too many effects can feel distracting. You can also use Canva AI tools for captions, script ideas, or even automatic design suggestions. It speeds everything up. Before exporting, preview your reel fully. Make sure timing, music, and visuals all feel smooth. Finally, download your reel as an MP4 video. Then upload it directly to Instagram Reels or TikTok. So yeah, that's how you create reels in Canva from start to finish. Don't stress about perfection. Just focus on consistency, timing, and engagement. The more you create, the better you get.